In the beginning, after the Great Flood, the world had only one language. Everyone spoke the same way and understood each other perfectly. People began to move eastward until they found a wide open plain in a place called Shinar. There they decided to settle down. They were united, full of ambition, and wanted to make something remarkable, something that would prove how powerful and intelligent they had become. They said to one another, "Come, let's make bricks and bake them hard," so they used brick instead of stone and tear instead of mortar. Soon they began to build. Their dream was not just any city, but a massive tower that would reach all the way up to heaven. They said, "Let's make a name for ourselves so we won't be scattered all over the earth." It was pride that fueled their hearts, a desire to prove that they didn't need anyone, not even God. From above, God looked down and saw what they were building. He saw how united they were and how powerful that unity could be. He knew that if they kept going, nothing they planned would be impossible for them. But their hearts were filled with pride, not purpose, and they had forgotten the one who created them. So God decided to act. He came down and confused their language. Suddenly, one worker asked for a brick, and another brought him straw. One shouted orders, and another just stared in confusion. They could no longer understand each other. Their unity broke apart instantly. Chaos filled the city, people argued. Groups split off, and soon they stopped building altogether. They began to move away from the city, spreading across the earth in every direction. The tower that once stood for human pride became a symbol of confusion. That's why the place was called Babel, because there the Lord confused the language of the whole world. In the end, the story of the Tower of Babel reminds us that human strength and knowledge can do great things. But when pride replaces purpose, everything falls apart. It teaches that unity without humility leads to confusion. But unity under God's purpose brings true strength. We can build towers, we can build cities. But without understanding and humility, our words lose meaning, and our work loses direction. The people of Babel wanted to reach heaven on their own, but God wanted them to fill the earth and live with purpose, not pride, and so their unfinished tower still stands as a timeless message, a reminder that we rise highest, not when we build for ourselves, but when we build together in truth and humility.